feel for it. I think we're good. Getting there. Now that's the finished distance there. I cut a little bit long. There we go. I'll get that. Flip this around. Back it up. There. I know there's a little bit of Velcro sticking out. There. Fred's okay. Come on. We're almost done. Yeah, I heard that bird's nest happen. We'll glue that down. Right. One more long seam. All right, everybody. Put your money down. Will the bobbin run out, or will we make it? If everything's going well, check your bobbin. Now once one side's already down, now you see I'm not having to wrestle it so much. With a little luck, we'll do this all in one go. Just checking my bobbin there. It's almost halfway down. Also tidy up this bare edge with the scissors before I declare the product ready to ship. A little bit. We're very close. I'll show you how we finish it. And about 20 inches. Bobbin still good? Alright. And that was the end of the bobbin. Whoever guessed just enough, you win a beer. Just buy the beer and let me know what I owe you. And I'll discount it from your order. Right. We'll deal with that a little bit later. So it looks like this when it's all put together. This is how it gets glued on to your soft top. I need to mark it all flat for a reason I'll show you in just about another 5 feet. I have another picture on my website, I do believe, that shows you how to do this.